Hey guys, today is day 5 of our Christmas countdown. And that means 21 more days until Christmas. Now let's find our elf. There she is! She has a new outfit. She has a cute little skirt. She has some lipstick and a skirt. And you notice it has a little elf on the shelf. It has the same elf on the shelf on our book. She also bought us some new little houses. She had bought us ski school, Coco Cafe, and she also brought the elf workshop. And she left us a note. It says, "Yes, Chopstick is one of my best friends." And I also wrote her note. I'll read it to you guys. "Dear Sugar Plum Fairy, my brother wants a boy elf. Thank you for watching us. Love, Shaylagh, Mason, and Riley. P.S. Do you know Chopstick? She's the elf at me and my little sister's dance studio." And then I drew her a little picture. Hi guys, welcome back to Shaylagh Payla Show. It's your girl Shaylagh, and today I'm going to be making a slime for my elf, Sugar Plum Fairy. If you've seen the last videos, she was really popular in those ones. So let's start. I'm going to be making her slime. I already made her notes, and I made her a bed, so I'm going to just be making her slime now. And I got this cute little jar. I'm going to put a little paper on it that says Sugar Plum Fairy slime or Christmas slime. So let's get started. So basically, I have this little guide thing. It didn't come with any of this. I got from a little thing that I have, and I'm going to be making. I'll show you what slime is. This slime. This is crunchy slime, and I have some food dye. I have pink. I'm gonna have red, blue, and yellow, which the red will turn it pink, and I kind of want it. And they have pink glitter, flour, and they got some shaving cream and a lot of glitter. And yeah, let's just start. Okay, so first I'm going to get my white glue, which is not opening. Okay. And instead of using that glue, I'm just going to use this that came with the little slimes that they got for my 8th birthday. They know I'm 8 now. So let's pour this in. This will take a little while. Now I'm just going to, since I have my white glue, I'm now going to put a little water to make it a lot more clear. A couple drops. I'm going to put a little flour because I like my slimes to be nice and fluffy. And that's kind of what, I just like my slimes to be nice and good. This is what kind of is a little bit to help the slime activate. So let's mix it. My little spoon. And it's going to still be white, so it doesn't change the color. And it just makes it a little more creamy if you put flour in it. Okay, I'm just going to add a little more glue, actually, because you know what, that was not enough glue, you can barely see. So I have a little more glue, the same kind, but it's a different new bottle. It's a different one. go. This one is like already activated, but still a little sticky. It is already starting to peel away from the sides. Add a little more flour. And the little container for it is perfect. It's the second day for Christmas countdown. Okay. Now this is the slime stuff. Right now just add a little shaving cream. First we need to shake it. There we go. Add a little. Okay, I clearly did not shake it well. Not enough. Okay, there we go. Running out. I'm run out of time. There we go. Okay, I'm just gonna mix it. Oh, this time is so pretty. Just gonna add a little more water. Okay, now I'm just going to add a little sparkle. Well, let's actually add the food. I'm going to first start with a little red. And then I'm going to add a little blue for a little purple. I will turn to pink. Such a pretty card, but I can still make the same slime, just with red. I'm gonna put some blue, and then I'll turn that purple, hopefully. Or we could just do a red slime. I'm going to use it as Christmassy as it can be. Now the blue is starting to now it's not really turning. Oh, it's turning really like purple. I love this new color. It's like an icy blue. Just gonna mix it in. This is my slime. It's very pretty. That's the color. Now I'm just gonna add a little glitter. It has to have more glitter. Okay. There's the little glitter. Now to pour in this glitter. Time I made this one so much glitter. It's like adding too much stuff into your slime. And that was like adding too much glitter into your slime. Okay, let's add a little purple glitter. I think that's gonna blend in very well. It's so long. I put my glitter in bags so I used all of it. if I keep on adding after, it's gonna start to be very stiff. I know that is